Hello everyone, this is Dodojan. Today I will teach you how to add volumetric fog in Blender 2.9. So first make sure to download Blender from the official website. Link in the description below. Now let's go to Blender. I have already opened a scene I made. This is a forest scene. So to add the fog, press Shift A. Mesh, then add a cube. Or you can use the default cube when you open up a new scene. Press S to scale it, then left click to confirm, then press S and Shift Z to scale it only in the X and Y axis. Make sure to cover the whole scene. Now go to the Shading tab and select the cube, then add a new material. Select the principled BSDF, then press X to delete it, we won't need it. Then press Shift A, go to Shader, then select Principled Volume. Do what I do. Let's reduce the density, put it in 0.05. You can also change the emission color to get some cool fog effects. Now go back to the Layout tab and then press numpad 0 to go to Camera View. If you don't have a camera, press Shift O, then select Camera. I already have one, so I will delete this. As you can see, I have a forest scene with siren head in it. As you can see, when I click this button it will go to rendered view and we can see the fog. It is low because I have a potato laptop. Make sure you are using cycles and not Eevee to get the best results. Use your GPU to reduce render time if you have a good GPU. Turn on denoising for viewport and render, and also turn on adaptive sampling to reduce render time. Press F12 to render the image, or do what I do to render it. After a few hours of rendering, this was the result. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you learned something new today. Goodbye.